Hey guys, and today I'm playing with this. And I had blue and pink and I mixed it and it's purple. So, and it would look so cool at first when I did it because it had blue and pink and purple and I saw it. And it came with these. Wait, it smells so good. It smells like grapes. It's not slime, it's putty. So that's why it farts so much. Oh look, it looks like a finger. Hold on. I'll go get it. I'll take over this channel now. He actually fell for it. What did I tell you? No doing it. No. They always take over my channel. Well, no one was at the door. It smells so good. Okay. It's just this today. Okay, I'll be right back. Yeah. Wait. Again? She fell for it again. Well, I did that again because I wanted to do something. I wanted to play with this. I told you. No. Don't play with this. If you want to play with it, there. Yeah. You cannot take over my channel.